To recover deleted phone contacts on your mobile device, all you have to do is to open your contacts, locate contacts or search for contacts on your device. This is contacts, open contacts. Contacts are where your phone numbers are located. So I just open contacts. When you open contacts, locate the top far right hand side of your screen to locate the options that houses the contacts. This is it. So click on this option. When this option opens, locate or search for import or export contacts. Here is it. Launch it. Then the Android phone you need to know about has some functions. Some of the functions include automatic backup of your contacts to your cloud accounts. That is your Google Cloud accounts. So locate your email address on this list. The email address should be just one. That is the primary email address on your mobile device. You should know it or memorize it by now. Locate it. When you locate it, click on it. That is why you are seeing, if you check the top part of your screen, you see import contacts. When you click on your primary email accounts, it will import all the contacts that was deleted on your phone, all thanks to the auto backup service on your Android device. If you want to avert a situation like this, which has to do with manual backup of your contacts to your cloud account or your internal storage, all you have to do is to check the bottom of your screen. Here is it. Then if you did not really see the import contact as I shown you earlier, which will help you to restore your deleted contacts, here is it. So this is the option you have to use. You have to use any email address that acts as your primary email. That is where the deleted contacts should be located. So to back up your contacts manually to avert issues like this in the nearest future, check the bottom of your screen. Here is it. Export all your contacts to either your email or your internal storage. Click on export contacts. As you can see, two options have popped up. So the option you need to select is export to .vcf file. When you click on it, automatically it will ask you where you are to export this contact to. Select any option that you will be able to memorize. You can select Android. When you are done with Android, click on save. You see that the contacts will start to back up. It has finished backing up on your device. Okay, here is it. It has finished backing up on your device. That is why you are seeing contacts finish exporting contacts.vcf. So what you need to do in order to be sure that it has successfully backed up the contacts is to go to your file manager. Locate your file manager. When you get to file manager, remember we backed up the contacts to Android. So click on Android. Here's the file. Here's the file. With this file, with just a click, you see that it will restore all the contacts you have backed up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Latest Tech. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comments section of this video. Like this video, share it to your friends. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe. See you in our next video.